Okay, we'll start. We have got some of the questions. You can see some sequence and series questions. Today we'll finish the number series, and from tomorrow we'll start the alphabetical series. Okay. I hope screen is visible and I am audible to you all. Okay, fine. Now you see, this is the first series. You try to solve the series. Can you tell me what is the answer of this? Just for your reference, I have given the options also. Just try to analyze the relation between the numbers and try to find the answer. If you look at this question, you just try to find out what is the difference between these two. It is 4, right? What is the difference between these? It is somewhere 6, I think 12. You can see it is being multiplied by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 18 into 3, how much? 54, right? That's why this one, the number that we get here will be 54 into 3. You will get a multiplication series also. First you will try to find whether the difference is same or not. If it is not same, just check whether it is a multiplication series or not. We'll call it as a multiplication series. Okay, multiplication series. You need to, it will take around 10 to 15 seconds to identify which series it is, and depending upon that, so the answer of this question will be 54 into 3, 162. Okay, so option C is the correct one. Okay, fine. Go for the second one now. This is the first one we have solved. We'll go for second one. Just try to find what is the answer for second question. You see again, whenever you see the numbers are very huge, the difference here was a bit and difference grown a lot, and here also it is grown. So you need not find the difference between these two. We obviously know that it is not a addition series. So try to multiply this number, some number with this, so that you will get 12. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12, and 12 into 4 is equal to 48. So 48 into 4 is equal to 192. So option A is correct one. In this way, as soon as you look at some questions, you will just start realizing. Initially, it may be taking a lot of time, but as soon as you practice a lot of questions, then it will be very clear what will be the series, right? Now you'll go for the third question. If you have got doubt in any sequence series, you can ask me. Okay. I hope this is clear. Okay, fine. Now, can you tell me what is the answer of this question? You see, there is a decrement here, but decrement is not so consistent. There was huge decrement here, and there was less compared to this, again less compared to this, again less. So it is not a multiplication. In multiplication it will increase. In addition it will increase gradually. So in subtraction it will decrease gradually, and in division it will decrease drastically. So you choose which one is this. So it is obviously a division one. Okay, try to find out what is the answer. See, finding the division of this is bit difficult, so try to divide 24 by 6. What is the answer? So we have got 4, and just check 120 divided by 24 is same as 4 or not. Is it 4? It is 5. Right. Here when you divide you are getting 4. When you divide this one you are getting 5. You just check when you divide this you are getting 6 or what. So this is a division series, but 720 divided by 6 you will get 120. 120 divided by 5 you will get 24. 24 divided by 4 you will get 6. 6 divided by 3 what you will get. You see, division is going on decreasing here. Okay, and this is equal to 2. So answer is B. Okay, for this question. So sometimes questions can be this tricky, and if you know that questions can be like this, then it will be easier for you to solve. Fine. So you got this question. Okay, we'll go for the next one. Try to answer this question. Tell me the answer. You see, try to analyze. I am feeling that it may be a gradual increment. It is an increment, so it will be plus or division. Okay. Now, if you try to find the relation, check whether it is plus or not. For that, what you will do? 48 divided by 32. So it is 6. It is 1. So there is a 16 increment. If you check here, 72, 48. So it will be 4 and then it will be 34. There is a 34 increment. Then here we do not know. Here also we do not know. Here what will be an increment? 243, 162. 1. So it is 8. So it is 81 here. So it is clearly not addition 1. There is something we are not able to find. You can see, you can go for division, but division is also not that clear. So sometimes you may find these kind of questions, but if you look at this carefully, this is actually a, it's not division. In division it will decrease, so we'll go for multiplication of something. So 32 into, you may have multiplied, you may have multiplication by a fraction also. We'll check this. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 six are. So 16 into 3 how much? 48. 48 into 3 by 2, 4 ones are, the 2 ones are 2 to the 4, and then 2 fours are 8. So it is 12 and then 72. So 48, 72. So just find the next answer. You have found 108. Yes. Yes, 108 is correct answer. Right. So questions can be of this type also. They are a bit difficult level, okay. But once you practice these questions, you will be able to solve it faster. Fine. Now you look at the next one. It is going to be simple. Can you identify what is the series? What is the series? You just see the question. This one. I'm speaking about this question. Odd numbers. Are they odd numbers? No. You see, we have got 4. Square numbers. Yes, they are square numbers. You can see I have got 1, square of 1, square of 2. It is 3 square. 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. So answer will be 7 square. So it is equal to 49, option D. Fine. Then next question. Next question, what is the series? It is a simple series. It is a square root. Is it square root? No, not square root. Then anybody else? What is that? Just see the question. I have got 0, 4, 16, 36, 64, dash and 144. Just for a hint, recently we have seen it is related to that only. Recently we have seen a question, right? Same, but there is slight difference. Can you identify what is this series? You can see, since it is starting from 0 and 4, you see they are looking almost like 144. It is square of 12, 12 square. 64 is square of 81, 8 square. Square of 6, this is square of 4, square of 2, this is square of 0. So now can you tell me what are they? Squares of even numbers. Yes, they are squares of even numbers. Square of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So square of 10. 10 square will be the answer. That is option A. Fine. So you should be very quick in identifying these kind of things. I know initially it will take some time, but the more you practice, you will be able to solve them. Next time if you see the series, then you will be clearly known that it is obviously a square of even numbers. Then next one, try to see this. You need to try so many combinations. Okay, we'll see how what all combinations you can solve. Just check whether it is added with something or what. We have added 3 here, then we have added 5, then how much you have added? 7 here, I think 9. So it is now very clear we are going on adding what? Odd numbers. Odd numbers. Right. So I think it will be 11. It should be 13. It should be 15. And then this should be 17. So 63 plus 17. So we should get 0 here and only one option A. See, you need not solve the questions fully. Just try to find the unit digit and you will be getting the answers, so that you can save your time solving this one. Okay, you can do this also whenever you are preparing for competitive exams. You need not solve all the questions, but this series is similar to one more series. You can see, actually, if you have got 1, 4 and then 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. Can you tell me what is the relation between this series and this series? There is a relation between both of the series. What is that? We have got relation between this and this. What is that? I have got 1 here, I have got 0. I have got 4 here, I have got 3. I have got 9 here, I have got 8. I have got 16 here, I have got 15. Actually, square numbers will have odd number as their difference. You see, 3, 5, 7, 11. You need to observe all these things whenever you are preparing for something. 13, 15, 17. You can observe 3, 5, 7, 11. I think it is 9. 9, 11, 13, 15. In this way, these are actually odd numbers. Whenever you add consecutive odd numbers to these numbers, you will go on getting a square number. This is also a very important property. Okay, fine. Now just try to solve the next question, this one, and tell me the answer. It is also similar to that, but a slight variation of the same question. Similar to this question, this one. The previous question, slight variation. Can you solve that one? Answer A 50. Yeah, okay. How it can be? It is also similar. You can see the difference is 3. Difference is again 5. This series is nothing but a square series only. It will come under series of square number series, but it is actually n square plus 1 series. It means in place of n, if you write 1, 1 square plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 square plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 3 square plus 1, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 4 square plus 1, 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. This way you will get a series. This is a square series only, but you are adding 1 at the end. You can either find out by finding out the difference of each of the value, or you can find by using this relation. So you need to know the previous question was actually n square minus 1 series, and before that we had n square series. N square minus 1, n square plus 1. You may have to, if you can identify this series, then it will be easier to find out the answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You just put n is equal to 7. 7 square plus 1 is equal to 49 plus 1 is equal to 50. So 50 is the answer for this. Okay. You look at the next question. See this one. 0, 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 56. What is the answer here? Answer option C 42. Fine. Okay, we'll see. How you can do is you can find either the difference. We have got two difference. 4. Here we have got 8. They are even numbers. Alright. 8, 10. Okay, it is 6. It is 8. It is 10. And it will be 12. So 30 plus 12 is equal to 42. 42 is the answer. Okay, questions are simple, but your how fast you will solve each of these question is important. Fine. Now you look at the next series. Can you tell me what is the series? Look at this series carefully and tell me the series. Anyone? Yes, they are the cube numbers. Okay. Yes, they are cube numbers. You can see one is cube of 3. Sorry, one is cube of 1, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube. So the answer will be 8 cube. Now 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer will be 7 cube. What is the answer now here? Just try to calculate and tell me the answer. And one trick I will tell you, whenever you are solving such question, you need to find 7 into 7 into 7, right? So find what is the cube of this. You will get 49. You need not multiply a whole 49 to this 7. Just multiply 9 and 7. So what is the answer? In the unit place you will get 3 and you have got only one option. That is B. You can follow this method also to solve the questions faster. Okay. You see, you need not multiply the whole thing. 49 into 7. You multiply, actually you will get 343. But don't multiply the full thing. Just multiply the unit places. And 9 into 7. You are going to get in the unit place 3. So find out how many numbers are having 3 as their unit place. And we have got only one, so this one itself will be the answer. Here you will be saving around 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, this way saving of the time can be done whenever you are solving aptitude questions. Okay, and today we have got the last question. Can you tell me what is the answer of this question, or what is the series? What can be the series? See the question once again. 2, 9, 28, 65, 126, 217, and 344. One hint, 344, 343. I got 344 here. Now you think what is the answer? Yes, it is cube plus 1. It is actually cube plus 1. 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 1. It is nothing but 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 2, 3 cube plus 1, 27 plus 1 is equal to 28. We can see it is 3 cube plus 1, 4 cube plus 1, 5 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 1, 7 cube plus 1, 8 cube plus 1, 8 cube plus 1. As I have told, whenever you are solving 8 into 8 into 8, find 64, multiply this 8 with 4. In the unit place, what you have got? You have got 2, and you need to add 1 to this 2. Plus 1 is equal to 3. In unit place, if you are having 3, that will be your answer. In all these 4, I have got only one option as 3. So just take that one. It will save you a lot of time. Okay. This has to be your habit whenever you are solving questions. Okay. You need not waste lot of time to solve such simple questions. Yes, 513 is correct answer. Okay. So you can observe this is enough for series questions, series of numbers. In tomorrow's class, we'll go for series of letters. Okay, letter series.